You know, I've been getting this question a lot. When should I use properties versus variants? So this is going to be the ultimate answer right here. You ready? Component properties and variants are going to work together. They're like a team. But sometimes a property is going to make way more sense. And in other instances, a variant is going to be like the way better choice. And I'm going to show you why. So if you have a major visual change like we see here, like a disabled state or, just color change, we have size changes, that is when variants are going to really come into play. So any major visual change, like a variant in size, color, or other types of styling. So I have like border, adding like a border or a thicker border, something like that, or a background like effect where there's like a drop shadow that comes in. And the other aspect here is you need to communicate some sort of interactive state. So an example is like a hover state. And with interactive components in Figma, you can link those together, and that's where, properties are not going to really help you as much. Now, you really should use component properties if your component has toggleable configurations, like a version with or without an icon, like that button. Or say, let's see, I have another example here. So this card, you don't need to make many variations, if you want one without text or, with no button, all can be toggled off with properties. So your component should have, toggleable configurations like a version with and without an icon, like I just mentioned, or your component has instances or text layers that need customization. So don't make different variants in those situations. And that is why they work together in harmony. So definitely use them together. And now you know exactly when to use properties and when to use variants.